provide us with heat and light.
Mercury is a very hot and dry planet. The sun's rays there are around 7 times stronger than here on Earth. Mercury has a crater that is 1,300 meters wide.
Venus is next. Did you know that Mercury is closer to the Sun, but Venus is hotter because it is trapped by clouds that keep the heat in?
Venus has the densest of atmosphere any planet in the solar system. Venus may be the closest planet in size of Earth, but nothing else it resembles our beautiful blue sky of Earth.
Earth is the only planet we know about where people, animals, and plants can live. Life is possible on Earth. Life is possible on Earth because it has liquid water, oxygen, and perfect temperature.
Mars is a small planet. 7 Marses could fit inside Earth. It may be small, but it has a huge volcano on it called Olympus, which is 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Asteroids are leftovers from the early solar system and come in all shapes and sizes.
There are millions of asteroids orbiting around the Sun. Most of them are found in the massive asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system because Jupiter can fit more than 1,000 Earths inside it. Jupiter has a giant red spot that is actually a storm. The spot has been going for 300 years.
Saturn's rings are clearly invisible from Earth through a telescope. It takes nearly 30 Earth years to complete one orbit of the Sun. Saturn's amazing rings are made up of billions of chunks of ice. Saturn spins very quickly.
Uranus is 4 times bigger than our planet. It has an atmosphere more than 1,000 kilometers deep. It spins the opposite way.
Neptune is the 4th biggest planet in our solar part of our inquiry, we had to research a planet with a buddy. We are allowed to choose how we present our information. Luke, Kodo, and Paul chose to do a rap. They are going to share